As a service desk engineer, you probably have phrases you write many times a day, like "I understand you're busy, which is why I'm sending you a friendly reminder regarding your message." Sure, it would be great to automate these repetitive actions. With Alloy Navigator, you can do just that, using so-called snippets, reusable blocks of text that you can easily insert anywhere in Navigator. Watch this video to discover the different types of snippets and learn how to maximize their potential. You can use text snippets when adding or updating any objects in Navigator: tickets, assets, documents, knowledge base articles, and more. Most frequently, you'll probably use them as canned responses for tickets. Navigator comes with a ready-to-use set of them. When communicating with a customer or teammate, simply press F4 to insert a greeting, a closing, or any other frequent phrase you need. The benefits are obvious. It saves you time and effort and ensures consistent communication standards for your company. But text snippets aren't just for canned responses. For example, if you service printers, you can create a personal snippet like this one. Printer serviced, toner replaced, happy printing, and use it every time. And then closing a task will literally just take 2 clicks. Trigger the action, insert the snippet, and boom, you're done. Or, if you're responsible for announcing upcoming events, you can create text snippets for announcements. Instead of composing the text from scratch for scheduled service maintenance every time, simply insert the appropriate text snippet and add the downtime or other specifics. Besides personal snippets, there are shared snippets available to all users. These are managed by your Navigator administrator. To keep everything organized, there are categories and filtering for easy access. Now you know what text snippets are, how to personalize them, and the most frequent scenarios for their use. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.